Greetings and welcome. My name is Ryan O'Rourke from Stay Creative Painting, and here today I have some truly exciting news. I finished my new book. Now, to preface this, about a year and a half ago, I released my first book, Acrylics for Beginners. It was essentially the essentials, everything you needed to know about acrylic painting before you jumped into your first acrylic painting. In it, we talked about how to blend your paint, when to grab water, how to wrap light around your subjects to ensure that they are three-dimensional, and the reception to this, the review of it was just overwhelmingly positive. It got me so happy and so excited to immediately start writing a new book, and that's exactly what I did. Now, that book is now this book, which I am releasing today, and that is How to Draw for Beginners Trees. Now, I know it may seem strange, a painting channel is releasing a drawing book, but I vehemently believe that to be a great painter, you need to be a great drawer. As a painting is built upon a drawing, all of your line work, all of your composition, everything proportionally is built on that drawing. So it's imperative that you get it just right. So that's really what I started working on. Now, this book, it's incredibly dense, but again, I made sure that it was highly accessible to beginners so you could follow along and ensure that you were learning through every step of the way. Now, in the book, we talk about how to draw acacia trees, how to draw palm trees, pine trees, maple trees, weeping willow trees. A tree for essentially every situation, whether you want to paint a beach, an African landscape, a lush forest, but it also doesn't teach you in a basic step-by-step format where you end up with one tree at the end of the lesson. Instead, I break down each tree into simple shapes and show you how to amalgamate them so that you can create your own trees. That way you don't walk out of this book with 5 different trees. Instead, you can come up with hundreds on your own and know how they're put together, why they're put together in that way, and you just have such a vast opportunity for creating really interesting and diverse landscapes. Anyways, as you can probably tell, I'm very excited. I don't want to ramble, I don't want to be too loquacious, but the excitement, like, it is palpable. I'm sure you'll enjoy, I'm sure you'll have a great time, so go check that out. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to see what you come up with. Go check it out, link in the description. I will see you on Wednesday with another painting video. By the way, stay creative.